Greetings, Earthlings! Mama and Susan are back, and they're opening more of the Pixel Perfect Multipeeks. This is Series 12.
And how fitting, because we are both perfect.
Practically perfect in every way, like Mary Poppins.
No,
who
I
aspire
am
to
perfect.
be.
Next question.
Although this one's brain is definitely pixelated, that's for sure.
And
you
I am
know
not
what?
Mary
I hope
Poppins.
I get a stitch for you for your
I hope you
pixelate.
do.
I
hope
think
you
I
do.
have 7 doors.
You think you have 7 doors? How many doors do you
I'm
have?
gonna get 6.
All right, let's see. How many do you
3,
have?
2. What do I have?
I have
1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5. Oh, you have 7 and you have 5.
I have 5. Okay.
So we average out to 6.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, let's get them out. All right, who do you think you have?
I think I have Bruno.
Okay. Yeet. Who is it?
Not Bruno, but it's Alma.
Oh, and we don't have her either
I
yet.
have her, and she is a rare, so I'm not mad about it.
Yes.
Wrong.
And who do
I
you
have one of the Pixel ones, and someone's gonna be happy.
If it is who she says it is.
Oh, you're gonna be happy. You're gonna be
Here you go.
It's Stitch.
It's Stitch.
2 new ones.
Yay! I'm excited. So now we are at more than half of the ones we have. There is my 1 out of 144 Gandalf. He is making this experience magical for us. We're blessed by our 1 out of 144 Gandalf.
Blessed and highly flavored.
Yes. All right. So we're gonna keep guessing. Let's go. Who do you have?
Tiana.
Okay.
Tiana.
Done. And she's in her little winter
And
outfit.
she's a common.
Very
I think
nice.
we don't
And
have
I
her.
believe
I'm double checking.
I have another princess too. I believe. Here we go.
And she is a dupe. We
She's
do
a
have
dupe.
her already. Yep.
Cinderella, Cinderella.
Monday it's Cinderella. All right, on to the next 2. Bless us, Gandalf. Who do you have?
I think I have Lightfoot, the Yendor.
Iandor? So Ian. He just goes by Ian.
Yes.
That is Ian, yes.
He's a common.
Yes, he is a common. I believe we already have him, but that's okay. And who do you think you have, Mama?
I have Andy, and I do. His half a dead.
And we do already have that Andy.
I do like.
So
Andy.
that's another dupe right there, but we did get 3 new ones so far. Keep blessing us, Gandalf. Bless us, oh Gandalf the White. You forgot to take the wizard's staff. Who do you have?
I think I have the chief from Rhea.
So Benja.
Yeah?
Yeah, you have Benja.
We already have
We already
him
have
now,
Benja.
right?
Who do you have?
I'm thinking Felix Madrigal. Oh no, it's not.
You got Mirabel.
Mirabel.
Which I know we have.
Yes,
'cause
we
I
have
did.
her. So Greg, you have 2 more. Are you gonna open both those? Or
I
are you
have
gonna
3, and I'm pretty sure I know who this is without even thinking. I
Okay,
think
so
this
let's
is-
go. Okay, that's the Walrus Cuckoo. We do have him.
Wait, this
So
is
let's.
Another Pixel one.
How did you got 2 in 1 set?
I believe so.
All right, please hold.
One more after this.
All right, who do you have?
I think I have a special edition. I think I've done.
You do have Dumbo,
After the last videos, I'm glad to get.
and he is new and adorable and precious.
Yes.
So-
And I have actually doorknobs.
All right.
I believe, and I'm correct.
Yes, we have multiple doorknobs already, so that is
He's
a new
very
one.
cute, though.
Greg has 1 more left, so we'll let him get. All right, who do you think it is?
I think it's Clopin.
Is it Clopin? Is it?
I know that not anywhere.
Oh my gosh!
This is
Yes!
the ultra rare from Quasimodo set of
Hunchback.
Hunchback of
From
Notre
Hunchback.
Dame.
So from-
I'm not mad about that.
No, and from Hunchback now we are only missing 1 character, and then we are way over a half. So please hold while I count how many we have. All right, how many do we have, Greg?
30.
So 30. We have collected 30. We only have 20 left to get in this series.
And amazingly, we're missing a fair still bit of commons.
Yep.
And a fair still, actually. Oh no! Wait a minute, you missed one. We have 31.
Oh, okay. So we are over 30. So we're only missing 19 in the series,
Yeah, that's amazing.
and a number of them are still commons too.
Right.
Uh-huh.
So we're doing very well.
Very good.
And
Very
now
cool.
I hunt.
Yes. Well, you don't need to hunt. We still have a bunch more boxes left. All right. Bye, everyone. Have a good day.
Bye.
We hope Gandalf blesses you.